Is there anyone from IP? 11th D or E?
Sir, I
What?
sent you the screenshot.
Yes, Bhavya.
Sir, I sent you the screenshot about what I was talking about on Wednesday.
Bhavya, can you please tell me from which number you have sent me that?
Yes, sir, I'll just text you something from.
The number is 2 and the index is 3. That is n. Alright. By default, the value of s is 1. So, first time the value of this I is 1. The value of I is 1. Value of I 1 means that this is 1 plus 1 x is 2 power. It is
Yes.
that is what it is. Now, let us check for the next iteration. That is I equals to capital N is 3 N is 4.
Sir, it will next iteration will be 2. So I work in the Python notebook and the list works this way only. It doesn't take squad.
Let's check it out. See, Bhagwan, I'm telling you. This is now your sum is what? That is 3. S equals to 3. X is 2 into I. The value of I is 4. Now, how the value of I is 4? For the first iteration, the value of I was 1. Second iteration, the value of I is n plus 1. That is, n is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay? So, the value of I in the next iteration is 4. 3 plus 2 की power 4. 2 की power 4 is 2 की power 4 is 16. 3 plus 16 would be. Okay, I'm getting the correct output. Are you getting this output as well?
Yes, sir.
That's not a range. Again, I'm telling you it's a tuple. It's a sequence. Okay.
Sir, has she mentioned the value of n already?
She has mentioned the value of n as access to an NS3. So again, I'm telling you, it's a tuple sequencing. Sure.
Sir, unless we write range in front of this.
Unless you write the range. What is the last topic we were doing in class? Dictionaries. What was the last subtopic of dictionaries? What was the last subtopic of dictionaries? Tell me. Nobody will class. You were there. Kanak, what was the last topic?
We were discussing that dictionary is not a sequence.
Have you done with any? Have you done any function in dictionaries?
No, not yet.
Empty dictionary only.
Just did
Yeah.
empty dictionary. For dictionaries, like we have seen that dictionaries been created in the early braces. Okay. Dictionaries are mappings. They are having key value pairs. They are not indexed. They are not sequenced. So suppose we say that I am creating a dictionary having the key as 1, the value as Aryan. Suppose it is R. So we are having a dictionary having 3 key value pairs. What is the length of this dictionary? 3. The length of this dictionary is 3. We are having 1 key value pair, a second and the third. Now there are some rules that the keys. These are the keys and these are the values. But what if I want to access Aryan? The output should be Aryan. What shall I do? I will print the D of 1. As you are seeing the string and list, that's the values, the elements are indexed. But in the dictionaries, they are not indexed. They are not indexed by the numbers, they are indexed by the keys. In the dictionaries, the elements are not indexed by the numbers, they are indexed by the keys. You can access the values of the dictionary using the keys. Right? So what if I print D of 1? That is printing Rn. But if I print D of 4, then it is going to give you an error. You don't have any kind of key with 4. What if I print D of Rn? Now, again an error because we have to find the key, not the value. But values can be accessed using the keys, but keys cannot be accessed using the values. Now, this is a question that will be there for sure in the examination in your MCQs. The first examination for sure this will be a question that values can access the keys of the dictionary, true or false. So no, it's not values cannot, keys cannot be accessed using the values, but yes, values can be accessed using the keys. Clear? What else is there? Your keys must be immutable type. The keys must be immutable. Immutable means the keys that you are taking over here could be of integer, could be of string type, or could be of tuple type. Now you will say that we haven't seen it. So tuples are similar to lists, only the difference is between the brackets, and the tuples are of immutable types, whereas lists are of your mutable type. Right? Your values could be of any type, either integer, string, tuple, list, or a dictionary as well. Now let me show you. Having a dictionary in which the values are in the form of a list. A dictionary where the values are in the form of a list. Suppose I say that it is 1. Then it's not a compulsion कि आप यहाँ पे 1 ही लिखो. It's up to your choice. It's not a compulsion that the dictionary की keys 1 से start होती है. You can have a dictionary like this as well.
The recording.
Yes, dear.
So please record the class.
So, but a tuple is not a sequence.
A tuple is a sequence.
So there are only 2 elements in a tuple, the first and the last.
In tuple?
So in the example I just took from Bhavya's question, there were 2 elements and only only the function was applied.
Let me tell you, that was another thing. Bhavya had done something and she was thinking कि ये भी बिना range के काम कर रहा है. So I was explaining her that this is not a range, this is basically a tuple. ठीक है? Your tuples can be similar to a list. For example, it's 1, 4, 8, 10. This is a tuple. It's a sequence, but they are immutable. It's similar to a list, but they're immutable. Right? That was something other thing that Bhavya was asking. So we can have a dictionary like this where your key names are of string type. Your strings are mutable or immutable? Strings are mutable.
Immutable.
Strings are mutable or immutable? Second last. Immutable. What do you mean by immutable? What is it? Be louder. So this means immutable type. What do you mean by immutable? But you are attending regular classes and still you are blank. Immutable. Immutable here. What do you see? कोई बात नहीं, previous lesson में तो उससे पढ़े तो थे. When I was teaching strings, then I taught list manipulation. Now this is the third chapter that I am teaching you right now. And in maximum classes, I have discussed about this mutability and immutability. Rohan. This is something strange. Immutable means the values cannot be changed. For example, if I am having a string, suppose it is Aryan, it is on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Their index, strings are indexed or not? Their index. Now, what if I want to change the character which is a second index to I? Means I want to change this Y to I. This cannot be done. This is known as immutability. Okay, but the lists are mutable. It means that suppose we are having a list that is 4, 6, 8. And what if I write L1 of 2 equals to 9? So this will become 9. These are mutable. Lists are mutable and strings are immutable types. Mutability and immutability means this thing, that the values at a particular index can be changed or cannot be changed. If they can be changed, they are mutable. If they cannot be changed, that is immutable. Right? So we have 3 key value pairs, that is roll number and RN. So the roll number, name and marks. In the dictionary, we have membership operators. As you have studied in the strings and lists, we have plus, multiply and the membership operators. But in the dictionary, we do not have the plus operator, we do not have the multiply operator. But if I am having a list, what this plus operator does in that? List में plus operator क्या करता है? किस काम आता है list? String में list में किस काम?
Concatenate.
All done? It will concatenate. It will join them. It will concatenate them. Multiply operator is used for In the string or list, it is used for
For the repetition.
replication. That is known as replication, right? But it was used for replication, right? So now we do not have plus or multiply in the dictionaries, but we have the membership operators for sure. Now, what are these membership operators? There are two operators in the membership, that is in and not in. In or not in will check whether the particular value, the element, is there as a key in the dictionary or not. It means, but if I'm checking roll number in D, it is going to return me true or false. Who said false? Why? I already told you, na? This membership in or not in will check whether that particular element is there in the dictionary as a key or not. So roll number is there as a key. It is true. But if I write like 1 in D. Now what? At the last? क्या ऐसे क्या? कम है यहाँ से. Okay. Are you listening to the things that I'm teaching you? सुन रहे हो? I'm already told you कि keys को check कर रहा है. Now, at least you can say true or false. हाँ या ना तो बोल सकते हो. What is this? तो पढ़ा तो रहा हूँ मैं. किसी को भी नहीं आता. This is a new topic. At least just speaking कि either true or false. गलत बोलो लेकिन बोलो तो सही. Do not say like this at the next time. This roll number in D, this in operator will check whether this element is there in the dictionary as a key or not. As a key. So roll number is the key in the dictionary, yes or no? It is, so it will return you true. 1 in D. But it will return true or false? Is 1 here is 1 in the dictionary the key or value? डिक्शनरी में 1 की है या वैल्यू है? और इन किसको चेक करते हैं? कीज को. ट्रू है फॉल्स है? फॉल्स है. Is it clear? Not in will be reverse for sure. But I 1 not in D. It is true. Wait, 1 is not in D. Yes, for sure. 1 is not as a key in the dictionary. Not in. Ulta hai. You can write it down whatever you want to write. It's a main subject or additional? Is there any doubt to anyone? When is the practical exam? But I haven't got the dates of the practical exam for class 11. Okay, but might be possible it will be after your theoretical examination. After term 1, we will be conducting the practical examination. You have to create a small project, a minor project. For example, you can create a bookstore management, or you can create railway reservation, airways reservation, a lot of things. Simple billing system. So, yes. What you have to do is, I'll be telling you the dates on which you have to bring the hard copies of the practical. Okay. Okay. Moving further. Assuming we have the same dictionary, we have two functions. Keys, obviously in small letters, and we have values. Keys function will be creating the list. Will be creating list. This can be a question in the MCQ, but this keys or values is creating, but it will be returning. So keys function will create a list of keys from the dictionary. So what if I print d dot keys? The result would be a list of keys. So it is roll number, name, and so it will be creating a list of keys. So keys are your roll number, name, and marks. Okay. Similarly, we have values function. So what if I print d dot values? Will be creating a list of, so 1 Arya, here is value.
So the board is not clear.
The board is not clear.
Yes, it's appearing blurred.
Yes, sir.
Might be having a network issue here.
Sir, can you please repeat this topic again?
We have two functions, keys and values. Okay. So what if I print d dot keys, the dictionary name dot keys. This keys function will be returning me a list of keys from the dictionary. That is, so we have 3 keys in this particular dictionary, that is roll number, name, and marks. So it will create a list of these keys. Only keys will be there in the list. Similarly, we have the function values, which will be returning me the list of values. That is one Aryan and one from this particular dictionary. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we have one more function. If you have all written this, we have one more function, that is items. The function name is items. Items function will be creating a nested tuple. Will be creating what? A nested tuple of key value pairs. It means, what if I print d dot items? It will return the output will be like one name, other, marks. What is it? So we'll be creating a nested tuple. Okay. एक ब्रैकेट में roll number 1, अगले ब्रैकेट में name आ रही है, अगले ब्रैकेट में marks 20 and whole in the outer brackets. So this is a nested tuple. Items and nested tuple से create कर दिया, जिसके अंदर आपके पास pairs आ रहे हैं comma से separated. यहाँ पे dictionary और इस dictionary को मैंने क्या कर दिया tuple में convert कर दिया कैसे items function. Item function क्या करेगा? Items function will be returning me a nested tuple like this. Write it down.
Sir, is it I dot tens?
It is
Is it I dot tens or items?
items. 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 The next function that we are having with dictionaries is get function. Now this is important. This get function is important. How it is important? But when I write d of name, it will return me what? R. But it will return me what? It will return me R. Similarly, you can access the value of a key using the get function as well. जो काम ये कर रहा है वो काम get भी कर सकता है. तो सर get की need क्या है? It's a question ना. भाई जो काम ये कर रहा है जैसे मैं अगर यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ d dot get name, d dot get name, it will return me R. सर ये भी भैया नया क्या है? नया ये है what I print d of suppose phone. Do we have any key with phone? It will return.
No, sir.
Error हो जाएगा. प्रोग्राम टर्मिनेट हो जाएगा. एरर हो जाएगी. But कि जो एरर यहाँ पे आ रही है, वो एरर वो लिख जो मैं देना चाहता हूँ, जो मैं लिखना चाहता हूँ. एक ऐसा मैसेज जो मैं चाहता हूँ ये मैसेज प्रिंट, उसके लिए गेट का यूज करते हैं. कैसे? d dot get name comma key not comma. If name is a key in the dictionary, will return the value. आर्यन आ जाएगा. अगर name इसमें कोई key नहीं हुई, will be returning what? It will print key not comma. Or the message that you this is your message. You can access it. You can change it. Sorry, there is no such key. Whatever message you want to print. So this is your message. You can print anything that you want. This error is the computer generated error. You cannot edit it. Error edit नहीं कर सकते. But for this get function, you have an option that you can give your own message. What message? Is it clear?
The only if the condition is false.
Yes, correct.
Only if the key we
if,
mentioned is.
If the key that you have written is not there in the dictionary, only then. So this is the use of get. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. The next function is del. Now this del statement already has studied this del in list manipulations. But del is used to delete elements from the list, either a single element or a slice on the behalf of an index, or the whole list as well. है ना? Similarly, the dictionary, suppose I say del b, it will delete the key value pair. So this name Aryan will get deleted from the dictionary. Okay. But if I simple write del d, so it will delete the whole dictionary. So if I write del d and if you print this dictionary after deleting it, it will return me a value error. That's sorry, but we do not have any kind of dictionary with this name d. Clear? Del
So can you
d.
explain it once again?
Yes?
Can you explain this function once again?
Oh, sure. See, del function will delete भाई name के साथ आर्यन है ना. Aryan cannot be cannot sit alone. It must need a key, and the key is name. So if I delete name, it means the whole key value pair will get deleted. It's in the form of a pair. Okay? Right? Aryan, it will give an error. Again, I'm telling you, you have to write key. We cannot access the keys using the values. I've already told you this thing. Acha, what if I write it like this? We have one in D dot values. True or false? One in D dot values.
So the board is very blur. We're not able to see the program.
Tanak, I have written one in D dot values. It will give you true. Now, D dot values will be giving you a list. D dot values will be giving you what? A list of values. Values of one है. True. But I have written one in D dot values. D dot values will be returning you a list. एक ऐसे लिस्ट जिसमें सिर्फ वैल्यूज होंगी, तो लिस्ट में वन होगा. That is why it is going to return you true. ठीक है?
So what if we write del dot d and the value name, not key?
Yes, Kanna, please repeat.
Del dot d rn if we write, then what will be the output?
Del dot d.
It will delete the value.
Kanna, we don't have to write del dot d. There is no dot in between. Del is not a function. Del is a statement. ठीक है? So we don't have to write dot here. It is without dot. Del space d. If you are writing del space d, it will delete the whole dictionary from the memory.
Sir, and if I write rn instead of name, then what will be the output?
Error. We don't have any key with the name Aryan.
It
Right.
will only delete the key.
We can only access the dictionary using the keys. Cannot access the dictionary using the values.
Okay, sir.
Next thing that we have a function that is clear. This clear function will delete the dictionary, but not from the memory. It will clear out all the key values in the dictionary, but empty dictionary will be still there in the memory. It means that if I write d dot, now clear is a function that will write to d dot. So d dot clear will be returning you what? It will return you an empty dictionary. So this is the difference between this clear and del. This is the difference between this clear and del. The clear function will be deleting the key value pairs from the dictionary, but dictionary will be there in the memory. An empty dictionary for sure. But this del d will be deleting the dictionary from the memory as well. कुछ नहीं छोड़ेगा. और clear function अंदर की key value को खाली करेगा, but dictionary खाली dictionary रहेगी memory. We have pop as well. Pop can also be used to delete the key value, pairs. So what if I like d dot pop roll number? Roll number वाला नहीं. Pop can also be used to delete a key value pair from a dictionary. Is it clear? Any doubts? Sure. So we'll be taking the test, then we'll get to know कितना clear है.
So please switch off the camera for once. The codes are not visible.
Is it okay now?
No, sir.
Yes?
No, sir.
It's even more blur. So are the del function and pop function same?
सर इसमें करके दे दीजिए इसमें बाद में होगी ये वाला
Okay, 11th day. How many of you are from 11th day? Just raise your hands. Just 1, 2, 3. 3 only. You're from 11th day. A. This is A2 or A1? A1. From 11th B, I guess there's no one. 11th C. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. D1, D. 11th E, 3. Okay. Akansha, attendance.
Present, sir.
Arav, Grewal,
Ma'am, Sir, Arav Grewal present.
Arav Sharma, Agnish, Aishwarya, Akshita,
Present, sir.
Aman Tomar, Anshika, Arumita,
Present, sir.
Aryan Sinha,
Present, sir.
Ayush Sharma, Bhavya Mishra,
Present, sir.
Bhavya Bhardwaj, Daman, Devansh, Dishita,
Present, sir.
Daman is there. Galaxy, Gautam,
So please repeat pop once.
Pop. Pop is again used as saying to delete the key value pair. We just have to give the key inside the pop function and the key value pair will get deleted from the dictionary. That goes in. Same reason. But pop cannot delete the whole dictionaries. Your del statement can delete the whole dictionary.
So the syntax is pop dot key.
Key dot pop. Key dot pop and inside you have to write key. For del it is del space dictionary name in the subscript you have to write key. Okay. The dictionaries are mutable. Mutable means we can change the values of particular key. Suppose it is D of name, I want to change it to Anuj. So this RA will get changed to. You can do it. है ना? What else? I'll write this. D of code goes to 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we have any key with the name code? What will happen? It will add a new key value pair in the dictionary. Now the thing is where there can be a question again. This can be a question. कि dictionary not at the last. ये आपको option मिलेगा कि at the last, anywhere in the middle या कहाँ पे है. I've told you dictionaries are not ordered. Ordered नहीं होने का मतलब क्या है कि सब अगर dictionary बनाई रोल नंबर नेम मार्क्स ऐसे करके. When you print this dictionary, it's not a compulsion that कि रोल नंबर पहले आएगा. But जो भी पहले आएगा वो अपनी वैल्यू के साथ आएगा. ऐसा नहीं है कि रोल नंबर आ जाए ना जाए नेम ऐसे. ये की वैल्यू पेयर साथ साथ आएंगे. But they are not ordered. They are not in a sequence. So ये जैसे मर्जी आगे पीछे आ सकते हैं. Because अच्छा आगे पीछे क्यों हो सकते हैं क्योंकि हमने आपको बताया कि 0, 1, 2 ऐसे कोई इंडेक्सिंग डिक्शनरीज में नहीं है. नहीं होगी ना? They are not indexed by the numbers. If you want to access the values, you must be knowing the key. Key पता है तो value access कर लोगे. Index नाम की कोई चीज नहीं होती डिक्शनरीज में. So if I am writing D of 4 equals to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will add a new key value pair in the dictionary anywhere in the middle of the dictionary. It can be at the last. It can be at the starting. It can be anywhere in the middle. So we cannot write.
Sir, dictionaries are immutable.
Yes, Kanak?
Dictionaries are immutable word.
Dictionaries are mutable. Dictionaries are mutable, but the keys of the dictionary are of immutable type. Again, this can be a question. The keys of the dictionary are of immutable type, but the dictionaries are mutable. I have written D of name equals to Anuj. So ठीक है, name पे आगे तो Anuj हो गया. It can be done. But you cannot take your key as a list. Key or value 12 कुछ भी. ये नहीं हो सकती. It's a list. But yes, you can have a key as a tuple. Key can be a tuple. क्यों tuple हो सकती है? It's of immutability. ठीक है? So D of 4 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. It will add a new key value pair. So might be a dictionary will be like this. Name Anuj. Because I already have updated it. Might be possible that यहाँ पे आ जाए phone.
So what is the name of this function?
What is the
Name of this function.
this function? This is not a function, that is updation. How you can add a new key value pair in the dictionary? So to add a new key value pair in the dictionary, just have to write that dictionary name, subscript, the new key equals to the value. Simply. Okay. Clear? Now we have one more thing. I'm having a dictionary as D1, in which I am having roll number, name, and marks. Okay, I'm having one more dictionary. Having roll number. So what is it? So it is to having name, and I'm having age. So this having two dictionaries D1 and D2. Now there is a function that is update. The function is update. What it will do? I have written D1 dot update D2. So D1 dictionary has to be updated on the behalf of D2. अगर key जैसे D2 की जो भी keys है D1 से अगर मैच हो गई तो D2 वाली वैल्यूज हो जाएंगी यहाँ पे. जैसे रोल नंबर है, रोल नंबर इसका D1 का क्या है 1, D2 में क्या है 2. So we are updating the D1 dictionary on the behalf of D2. So अब D1 क्या हो जाएगा? After printing this, you will be getting the output as roll number will be 2. Name would be RL. Marks will be same, but a new key value pair will be added, that is age. So जो की वैल्यू जो कीज मैच हो जाएंगी उसकी वैल्यू अपडेट हो जाएगी, जो की मैच नहीं होगी वो उसमें ऐड हो जाएगी. सो वी हैव रोल नंबर 1 था 2 हो गया, नेम अनुज था एडेड हो गया, मार्क्स एज इट इज क्योंकि इसमें मार्क्स नहीं है, एज यहाँ पे नहीं है तो एज वाला एक नया की वैल्यू पेयर ऐड हो जाएगा. ठीक है, क्लियर है? एनी डाउट्स ऑन दिस? Chalo, okay then. We are ending up here. We'll continue in the next class. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.